you're trying to help make someone's life better with the service that you provide. So I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but digital products are completely taking over social media. But you want to know one platform that most creators are not utilizing? Pinterest. Pinterest is very much so slept on when it comes to marketing your digital product. I need to go grab a Rebel and we need to talk about it. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys are watching this video to the very end so that you're able to get your free download for 10 free Pinterest templates. These templates are going to help you to generate more traffic to your digital product. So during my time on social media, I've built 2 six-figure successful online businesses, all while being able to stay home with my children, whom I actually homeschool. And if I sound raspy, it's because I'm fighting a cold. I still have to produce this content for you guys. So this channel is full of everything you guys are going to need to achieve the same time freedom as well as financial success. Be sure to subscribe so you can start your journey to life freedom and prosperity. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so in my previous video, we spoke about the importance of marketing your digital products because you guys know there is a rise of digital products and everyone is marketing digital products to you, but they don't never tell you how to market them. So that was my previous video, actually giving you guys ways that you can market your digital product. So if you have not yet checked out that video, I'm linking it above so you can check it out. You guys, Pinterest has 518 million active monthly users. Active, you guys. The monthly organic traffic on Pinterest is over 955 million, which is insane. You guys hear all these large numbers, but yet most creators are not utilizing Pinterest. They're worried about every other social media. So that literally goes to show you how untapped the market on Pinterest is. So you being a person that is selling digital products, that is needing to market digital products, why not take your content over to Pinterest and be one of the first people in your niche, because every digital product has a niche. Why not be one of the first people in your niche to be on Pinterest? So I'm a very active user on Pinterest. Not only do I use it to market my digital products, but I also use it as an influencer. So I'm going to give you guys 3 of my most favorite ways to start generating traffic to your digital products using Pinterest. So the first way you can utilize Pinterest to market your digital products is going to be simply repurposing your TikTok content, repurposing your Instagram content on Pinterest. So you need to be able to download your videos without the watermark and repost it onto Pinterest. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you are going in and doing your title, doing your description, doing your tags, and also adding that post to a board. We have arrived to the destination. I just came here to get a Red Bull, that's it. Okay, so when you're repurposing your content, you want to make sure everything is relevant. Don't just post random stuff. Like, you gotta post your content with a motive. Okay, so the second way you can use Pinterest to promote your digital products is going to be using lead pages. I'm not sure if you guys have seen them. I'm gonna attach an example on the screen so you guys can see. This is an example of a lead page. So you want to use these pages. You want to make the titles enticing. You want them to be very attention grabbing. They're pretty much hooks. You know how everybody says do video hooks, use video hooks to hook people on your videos. These are the same concept. This is the same concept but with text. So if you are a person who fixes credit, you would appeal to someone who needs their credit fixed. If you're someone who is teaching people how to become influencers, you would appeal to those people. And then in the link, you're going to link this to a blog post. It's going to be a free blog post because we don't want to pay for extra things. We're going to be using a free blog post. I'm going to recommend you guys. That is what I use to do the blogs. It's very easy and it's free. Okay, so let's say you teach people how to make money. Specifically, you teach moms how to make money while staying home, being able to stay home with their children. So you would use one of these lead pages. You put the lead page, you put your title, you put your description, and then this is going to link back to a blog post. On the blog post, you're going to offer free, like, little bits of information that will help people. But why is this guy speeding on my ass? Now I gotta go past the house because I don't like to turn in when people are on me like that. Oh boy. So in the free blog post, you want to offer free information. If you're offering digital products, it's your goal to provide value to people. So you want to provide bits and snips of value, just like how you do in your content when you're giving out free gems. So do the same thing for the article. You can use ChatGPT to do free, simple information. At the end of that blog post, you want to attach the link to your digital product. So when they click the link, click here to learn more, or click here, blah, blah, blah. When they click there, they will be directed to your digital product. Again, the whole thing is providing value. You're not misleading people. You're not just trying to, get people to buy, get people to buy. No, you're trying to help make someone's life better with the service that you provide. So the third way you can utilize Pinterest to market your business is actually posting your digital products on Etsy. I don't know if you guys are aware, but once you post your products on Etsy, it ranks you on Google. So let's say I have a digital product. It's a DHgate affiliate course. So if you go on Google and type up DHgate affiliate, then guess what's going to pop up? My DHgate affiliate course. Why? Because it's from Etsy. So Etsy has some type of SEO ranking on Google where your products are actually able to show up on Google because they're on Etsy. So even if you have a website, it's completely okay for you to also post on Etsy. It's going to make you more money because Etsy already has its own market, and Etsy could be more trusted than someone actually just shopping on your website. What if the person is on Etsy and they're checking up something that they're interested in learning, and then your course pops up? So that's the same thing like for social media. Don't ever limit yourself to just one revenue, to just one platform. I also have my digital products on Etsy. So not only is that going to help me to generate more money with my digital products, but it's also going to help me to rank on Google. And just for a really quick bonus tip, so this goes into cahoots with number 1 for repurposing your content. So if you're a creator and you create content on YouTube, you want to be posting your YouTube videos on Pinterest. So there you guys have it. This video is short and sweet because my voice is still kind of raspy. I'm still recovering from a cold, but I didn't want to skip another week of not posting content. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Post on Pinterest, you guys. Don't sleep on Pinterest. Also, Pinterest is amazing if you are an influencer, if you're a creator, because a lot of the times they pop up with paid programs, but they don't give it to you if you're not using Pinterest. I always tell you guys, one thing about social media, you need to use every app. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket, because when TikTok gets banned, everybody's going to be scattering around, not knowing what to do. Use multiple platforms. Build a omnipresence. You want to be known on every social media platform. It's going to work in your favor. Trust me, you guys. So that is going to be it for today's video. Today is Friday. You guys know I do not cook on Fridays because I create content, record, I film, I take pictures, I batch create my content. So I don't really have the time to cook. So today's Friday. I'm about to go grab the food, the dinner for tonight. And then I get back home and then I have to prep for our trip that we are going to be taking. If you guys are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, go ahead and do so because I'm way more active there. YouTube is only posting on Saturdays. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.